You're stuck in tutorial hell.
Here you go.
Here's how to get out. A tutorial isn't this. You're not magically inserting expertise in your brain. The origin of the problem is illusions of competence. It's a trap many people fall into, but they can't put into words. Let's see the problem visualized. Each piece of the puzzle represents knowledge, part of something larger. When you watch a tutorial, you're now aware of this knowledge and you know what these pieces are. Now here comes the catch. Awareness is not equal expertise. Right now what you do is you watch somebody else fit these pieces together, then you mistakenly believe you know how to fit them yourself. Now, disaster strikes. Now it's your turn to solve it, and you can't because you never really solved it. Somebody else did. This is the equivalent of watching somebody else working out and then wondering why you're not getting bigger. Have you ever had an aha moment in a tutorial, then maybe a few days or a week pass, then you try to apply the technique on a problem and it completely stumps you? You have fallen for illusions of competence. It goes like this. Just because you understood a solution somebody else has done, it does not mean expertise. Tutorials give you a false sense of expertise because all you're doing is watching somebody else solving a problem and then you neatly and safely follow along. You're not driving to your destination, you're being driven. To transform awareness into expertise, you have to fit these pieces yourself. As long as you keep watching other people solve problems for you, you won't gain the necessary expertise to get out of tutorial hell. This begs the question then, how does getting out of tutorial hell looks like? Let's say you want to master for loops. Go to ChatGPT and write something like this. Give me 10 simple exercises on for loops in insert a programming language. No answers, only exercises. Now try to solve each one on your own as much as you can. Now this is the moment you might be tempted to look for a full answer.
I don't need it.
A full complete puzzle already solved for you.
Don't you dare.
Research for the puzzle piece that is missing individually, and then you solve it on your own. Learn this way is painful. This leads me to my next point. Get comfortable with being uncomfortable. Solving things yourself is difficult. You're going to feel your brain go into overdrive. It's kinda like hurts in a way. It's normal to struggle and feel stumped frequently. This is especially true in the beginning. Because in the beginning, you don't even know what you don't know. Watching a tutorial is like riding a bike with training wheels. You learn in a safe way that does not include failure, struggle, and real-time problem solving. In a real bike, you can fall, lose balance, and scrape your knees. And those experiences is what actually makes you proficient in riding a real bike. And overcoming these obstacles gives you confidence. A tutorial, by its very nature, does not allow this type of struggle to happen. I hope this was useful for you. All feedback is welcome. And see ya on the next one.